So we just got delivery of our brand new MacBook Pro.
This is the box that we received today. This order was placed like on 22nd of December, and we received it today, that is 19th of January. This has come all the way from China, and shipped from China. And this is like the 16.2 inch version of MacBook Pro with M1 Max processor, which is a 10 core processor with 32 core GPU. And we took basically the 32 GB of RAM on this version.
And 1TB SSD.
Yeah. So the thing of MacBooks is that when you place an order with Apple, they manufacture and then they ship it out. So this particular version isn't mostly available with any of the retailers or any of the shops that you have. So when you place an order for this MacBook, it's like you can expect a time frame of around 1.5 months for the final piece to get shipped out and reach your home. Because of the shortage of the chips in the region, it's taking a bit more longer, because this is like, it's working on, once the order is placed, it gets manufactured and then shipped out. They don't manufacture in bulk, especially the higher editions of MacBooks. And this is one of the highest editions with the M1 Max processor.
So now we are going to start unboxing it.
Yeah.
So there are two strips, just like the iPhone boxes.
Very easy, just like you have to open the iPhone 13 in a similar way. Pull the strip.
The sound is really satisfying to the ears.
So it's unlocked from below.
So it's officially unsealed.
And now we are. So I'm unboxing the MacBook Pro. Once you take the upper lid off, you get to see the MacBook. This is the 16-inch, 16.2 to be exact. So this is the highest edition by configuration. Before I unpack the MacBook, let's see what all we have in the box. You have a standard Apple. Yeah. It says designed by Apple in California, although we know it's made in China. Then this is the charger. They provide a charger with the MacBook.
This is the charging brick, 140 watts.
This is a charging brick, 140 watt. And then you have a.
This is the MagSafe charger, which they newly introduced in the 2021 MacBook Pro.
That's all. Nothing more in the box. The rest of the box is empty. So just these three items: charger, the cable, and the MacBook. As simple as you can expect from Apple. Let's see what all we have in this. You will see some Apple stickers. I expect Apple to give that with each and every of their devices. So Apple has given 2 Apple stickers, but there would be more, but yeah, they give 2 minimum. Yeah, that's it. Nothing more. Just the regular packing and the guide to the MacBook Pro. Nothing more than that. So I'm opening the MacBook Pro. So this is how it opens. So I'm taking off the screen cover.
Wow.
This is the welcome screen of the MacBook.